appreciate that. Hey man, look, the future is here. I've been eyeing it, bro, but just had to wait on the right colorway. Yeah, these flew. Let's talk about them. YouTube family, what up with it, man? We are back for yet another video, man. Daily content. Jay is here, y'all. Look, y'all, I ain't gonna fail y'all, man. Hit that subscribe button if you ain't subscribed, man. Look, what's good with y'all? Your boy Jay is here to give y'all a unboxing of a shoe that, I mean, it has caught a lot of people's attention because this shoe sold out in a majority of sizes. It's almost sold out, like select sizes here and there. I do foresee the resale of this shoe, you know what I'm saying, going up in the near future. I think this is actually the first Halloween themed shoe for this in particular person, but I thought it was dope. This was my first time getting this in particular silhouette, so I don't even know how these gonna fit, all that good stuff, but I got them for a steal, man. I had a coupon, as well as they did have a sale going on over at Finish Line JD Sports. So before I even pop it open, your boy paid $102 out the door for these, man. So still, man. Before we dive into the topic though, we got a couple things to talk about. We're gonna talk about a release that's happening tomorrow that's gonna bring out a lot of hype beasts, and I'll let y'all know why. But we're gonna be talking about that, as well as, like I said, the unboxing. But before we get into it, man, if this is y'all first time stopping through, like I said earlier, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Stick around, man. Hit that subscribe button, join the fam, man, as well as, hey, smash the thumbs up, y'all. Look, I can't emphasize it enough. Y'all have been going crazy. I truly appreciate all the support y'all have been giving your boy Jay on the channel, man. Look, let's keep the streak going. It keeps your boy Jay going, man. 1,000 likes or better. I should go higher than that. I'm cutting myself short because the fam be going crazy, but hey, 1,000 likes or better. If you are viewing it right now, real quick, scroll down, hit that thumbs up, man. But yes, man, content up today. Like I said, tomorrow we do have a release happening on the sneakers app, y'all. We do have a Jordan 1 low release, and it is the Chris Paul Jordan 1 that's releasing. It is a theme, I want to say, maybe commemorating, giving people their flowers or something. I know I did see around the tongue area, it did have a little quote behind the tongue saying, give them their flowers, or give them flowers. I think that's what it said. Give them flowers is what I want to say it said. But it does have that written behind it. It does have a floral theme going all throughout the shoe. I want to say it's suede and maybe canvas, you know what I'm saying? But it is kind of dope. However, why I said earlier that I feel like it's gonna bring out some hype beasts, because it's gonna be quite a few people that go after this shoe. Yes, because it does have some sort of resale to it. But why aren't people feeling this way about the Craft Jordan 1s, man? I think they're very similar. The Craft Air Jordan 1s are very similar looking as the Jordan 1 Low CP3s, but y'all ain't giving it the same energy. Of course, we do know one is the newer version, Jordan 1s, and then this is an OG form. That might be, you know what I'm saying, the deal breaker for some people. You know, they don't like the new version of the Jordan 1s, but hey, these, they solid. I seen on the back tab, I like it. It has the Wings logo surrounded by like a heavy suede. Like, I thought that was kind of dope. I just want to see these in hand, man. I'm not even too sure what color that is on the shoe, like around the Nike swoosh and those other areas. I don't know if that's I don't even know what color that is, man, but I do want to see these in hand. If I don't hit on the sneakers app tomorrow, hey, it's gonna be an L. It's gonna be an L for your boy. I'm not paying resale for those. If anything, there's another Jordan 1 that I pay resale for that I would like to double up on, but that ain't here though. We'll talk about that when that comes around. But speaking of the sneakers app, y'all, real quick story time, y'all. So y'all know that the Cactus Plant Fleet 2s recently released, right? So your boy Jay took a WL. What is that, you might ask? So your boy Jay ordered a new card, y'all. I ordered a new card and I forgot to put my card on file on my sneakers app, y'all. And I got a notification saying card decline, card decline, card decline. 4 times. So I don't know if I hit on 4 pairs or if it tried 4 times, but your boy Jay would have gotten that shoe if I would have had my card information updated. It is the same exact scenario that happened with the Jordan 6 Travis Scott Olives back in the day, y'all. I took a W on that shoe on the sneakers app. However, I did not have my payment information up to date. So it's like, bruh, all these good shoes that I potentially could have got for retail, I took L's on because of just, Man, look, with that being said, y'all, make sure that you have your sneakers app up to date. You have your card information up to date. If you get any new cards or anything, like, don't make the mistake that I made, because I was like, man, you know what I'm saying? I was sick because that's a limited shoe, but I'm not too sick because I don't know if I would have kept that shoe, man, because the way that shoe looks, the way the resale looks, Yo. Yeah, my bad, bruh. That, you see where my mind just went, bruh. I would have flipped the mess out of them shoes, man, because I don't know if I would have been rocking them, man. But that was a quick story about those, y'all. But yes, Jordan 1 Low CP3s releasing tomorrow. The retail on that shoe is $160, man. So good luck to all going after them. Hopefully y'all get them. Hey, if y'all get a W on them, come back to this video. Let me know down below. WWW or L. Talk to me down below in the comment section, man. But besides that, I do want to talk to y'all about a shoe. I'm excited to see it myself. I still ain't even boxed it up because I be waiting for the fam, man. Look, hey. Y'all know what to do, man. Look, I be giving y'all my raw initial reaction, man. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into this Halloween themed shoe. Hopefully it fits. Yes, sir. Bang, man. So this shoe released Friday. I think it released Thursday, Friday. I want to say it released on Friday. Y'all. This shoe released, retail was $130, but I did have a little bit of coupons and stuff. So out the door, $102. Then I paid a little extra for shipping. I paid for next day shipping. That's why I do have it in my hand right now. You know I don't like to wait. Your boy Jay, I need them now, y'all. But the shoe that I do have right here is a basketball shoe from the future. Hey, like I said, he is the future, man. Take a look right there. You see right there? I wonder if that's the theme of Halloween or is it that's how his original box comes, but whoo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My first pair of JA1s. Bang, man. So there you go. You see the box right here. You got 12 right there. It's 12 somewhere. It's 12. But like I said, y'all, I don't know if this is, you know, from the Halloween theme or maybe, what does that say? 4, 8, 5, 6. Oh, it's 12. So that might be just because of his number. I don't know, man. But on the front of the box, you got Ja Morant written on it. I went with a size 9, y'all. I don't know, should I have went with a 9.5? But size tag reads Ja1. Color blocking is lime, blast, oil green, black. So size 9, like I said, I think I should have went up half size, but it was sold out, y'all. That 9.5 was gone, so I just took the next closest thing. Oh, I already see the shoes, man. It does have a lot number on here, y'all. Whew. But we do have the JA1 Halloween joints. Bang! So here we go, y'all, man. So this is something different. Like I said, I got to give y'all my initial assessment on these JA1s. Like I said, I've been eyeing the JA1s for a little while, but you know, I just was cool on them. But I did in fact like this colorway, man. I don't know. I think I'm a hoop in these, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these casually. I think I'm just gonna hoop in them, but they loud, bro. They definitely loud, and of course, even if I do hoop in them, I'm gonna swap them with some red laces, man. I gotta put some red laces in here, man. Kobe Bryant, the Grinches, changed the game, bro. Anything that I see in a lime green colorway, I gotta put some red laces in there, man. Word to Kobe, R.I.P. But JA1 Halloween joints. They actually some light shoes too, man. So yeah, here they go. Bang, man. So here we go, y'all. Take a look at them, bro. This shoe look like, does it have any, no shoe paper in here, huh? Nah, it ain't got no. I'm like, why is the front so sunk down, bro? No shoe paper in here. So I wonder if that's how his shoes come. That's a little different. But anyways, man, the JA1 joints, this shoe does look like it has a whole glow in the dark upper. I gotta go see for myself before I end the video. I will let y'all know if they glow in the dark or not, man. But these are different, bro. These are different. I'm not mad at them. Definitely, of course, you got your little splash of red on the back with the swoosh and the 12, but it's a lot of details going on the shoe. I see that we got like a hand holding on to that Nike swoosh right there, and then it goes into like, I don't know, like some, I don't know what type of material that it is on that side on the Nike swoosh, but you do got the Ja Morant logo stuff right there on the back. But these they clean, man. They definitely a clean shoe. Outside of hooping, I don't know, bro. Like look, you know what I'm rocking right now. Could I pull it off? Maybe. Some black basketball Nike shorts or something, nice little casual wear. I think I could pull them off, bro. Throw some red laces in here with this fit, man. Y'all let me know down below, man. Should I throw these on feet like casually, or should I just strictly keep them for hooping? You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I paid $100 for this shoe, so I won't be mad if I mess them up hooping, you know. But I don't know. I'm double thinking whether I should throw these on for hooping or not, man. But on the back, y'all, it looks like it has like a Croc strap. You know what I'm saying? It does move. So it just reminds me of a Croc strap, if you feel what I'm saying. But no extra laces are included with these, man. These could have came with some red laces, man. I think it would have gave it a little bit of razzle dazzle, you know, to have some red laces with these. But I do want to see them paired up next to the Kobe Grinches and see what that green color, you know what I'm saying, what it's hitting for, if it's close to the Grinches, man. So let me grab the Grinches. Bang! So here we go, man. RIP to the GOAT. To the GOAT. We do got the Grinches right here, man, but take a look at them side by side. I mean, it's definitely a lighter green on the Jays, y'all, but it's on the same color palette, you know. They very similar in color. But I definitely gonna have to throw some red laces in here to see what they look like. Even brown, bro, to hit off that brown on the tongue. I think some brown laces would pop in this shoe, you know. But yeah, man, I'm not mad, bro. These, y'all ready for red? We got to talk about that too, man. It's not over yet. We got red Grinches dropping soon, man. That's a shoe that I forgot to tell y'all about when I did do my shoes that will be selling out soon, man. But that's not here. We not even gonna throw these. We gonna set the. What we gonna do is, look, we gonna do that, man. No disrespect, Ja, but we know who the GOAT is, man. But anyways, y'all, these Ja joints, man, it won't hurt, will it, for me to throw these on feet real quick, man? I think I might need to throw these on feet real quick in this video. Like I said, y'all let me know, should I wear these casually, or should I just, you know what I'm saying, just play ball in these, man? But we'll throw it on with what I have on, and we'll just get a quick look at these, y'all. So yes, sir, with the quick look, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know, man. Should I just keep these and rock them like casual on a nice little summer day or something? I know it's a Halloween themed shoe, but it's giving summer vibes, man. It's definitely giving summer vibes, and I think they pop with them red laces, bro. They hard with the red laces, man. But yeah, man, y'all let me know. But I think that these actually can go half a size up on them, but I think once I break into them, you know what I'm saying, if I were to play basketball or something in these, wear them a little bit, I think the 9 will work. You know, it's a little snug out the box, but I think it'll work, you know, the more I wear them, man. But the Ja 1 Halloweens, they sold out in most sizes, but they're not going for too much on the resale side of things, man. So hey, if y'all want them, go ahead and snag a pair, man. But I think that these are clean, man. I like this colorway. You know, I like things that pop, you know what I'm saying? I like things that pop, so I could give it that crazy swap, all that good stuff, man. But the Ja 1 Halloweens, I might throw these on Halloween day. I don't even know yet, man. But I'm taking these all day, every day over them candy corn dunks, which I got rid of. But y'all let me know, $100, was it a good purchase? You know what I'm saying? But talk to me down below in the comment section. Who's going after the Chris Paul joints tomorrow? Who's passing? All that good stuff. But your boy Jay is out. I will catch y'all on the next video. Y'all stay blessed. I'm gone. Peace.